Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. We had some shower activity last night as the frontal boundary moved through our region. That front has made its way to our south and east, and we're seeing clearing skies behind it this morning. We're also going to see some windy conditions as well. Currently seeing a wind advisory for our area as we have seen those winds in excess of 25 knots at times this morning, and we're going to see the winds slowly start to die down as we go into the afternoon, so possibly we will be able to cancel that advisory later today. Looking at our temperatures from yesterday, pretty warm across the region, all the way up to 66 degrees here at Wallops, 73 degrees, the warmest of our reporting locations throughout the area at Norfolk. And other areas in the upper 60s for daytime highs, a little cooler off to our north. As you can see, Dover only making it up to 60 degrees, but a pretty mild day throughout the region yesterday. Overnight last night, temperatures falling into the 30s for our northern locations, in the 40s right around the Wallops region. We were at 43 degrees here for our overnight low temperature. And as of the last 24 hours, we saw precipitation falling throughout all of the reporting stations here, picking up about a tenth and a half of an inch of precipitation here at Wallops. Newport News picking up the most at nearly 7/10. As of 9 a.m., we see temperatures pretty slow to rebound this morning, actually falling off a degree between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock this morning. As you can see, 9 o'clock hour, 42 degrees at Wallops under mostly cloudy skies. We saw mostly cloudy skies to our areas from the south and the east, and then off to our northwest up in Baltimore, Washington, D.C., already getting into the mostly sunny skies as that front continues to make its way off to the south and east. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, showing our winds out of a northeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, quickly turning out of a northwesterly to a westerly component as we go up in height. And as we go up to the 25,000 foot level, those winds increasing up to around 44 knots out of a southwest direction. Freezing level this morning was at 2,100 feet. Current surface analysis showing that cold front off to our south and east now. High pressure beginning to build in from the Midwest, but still a pretty tight pressure gradient as this area of low pressure moves farther off the coast in association with this frontal boundary. We are going to continue to see northeasterly winds, pretty breezy at times during the morning hours, and then seeing those winds begin to die off a bit as we go into the afternoon. But high pressure will settle over the eastern United States over the course of the next couple of days, so we should see abundant sunshine as we work our way through the middle of this week. Looking at our satellite, you can see the pretty sharp cutoff here of clouds and clear skies behind it, starting to make its way through the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula over the last couple of hours, and we're going to see clearing skies pretty rapidly as we go through the morning and see mostly sunny conditions as we go into the afternoon hours. Midday today, our forecast map showing that front making its way a little farther to the south and east. High pressure over the Midwest will provide us with our mostly sunny conditions as we go into the afternoon. That high will move toward the northeastern United States as we go through the evening hours tonight. Winds will die down and we'll see mostly clear skies, allowing our temperatures to really fall overnight tonight to around freezing by early Wednesday morning. We'll see mostly sunny skies continuing Wednesday with those dry conditions throughout the next several days as high pressure really dominates our weather, and we're going to see really some pretty nice conditions as we go to the end of the work week, as we will see those temperatures begin to rise as well into the upper 50s by Thursday, and seeing temperatures maxing out in the 60s as we go to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Taking a look at our next 24 hours, we're going to see the hazard of potentially seeing those winds gusting over 25 knots through the noontime hour, and then about a 30% chance of seeing winds gusting over 25 knots after 12 o'clock today. Temperatures will be very slow to climb as we go throughout the day. Currently, as of 10 a.m., our temperature is at 44 degrees. About 48 degrees is probably all we'll be able to reach as we go throughout the afternoon. Abundant sunshine, but still seeing some pretty cool conditions out there with those northeasterly breezes. Overnight tonight, as I mentioned, we will see mostly clear skies as winds calming temperatures falling to around 32 degrees by early Wednesday morning. So expecting VFR conditions for our terminal forecast here throughout the next 24 hours as we see abundant sunshine this afternoon and mostly clear skies continuing overnight tonight. Wednesday and Thursday, expecting pretty nice conditions out there. We will see cool conditions continuing for Wednesday, but milder conditions settling into the region for Thursday. About a high temperature of right around 50 degrees for Wednesday, 35 degrees for your low Wednesday night. And then as we go into Thursday, seeing those temperatures push into the upper 50s as high pressure moves off the coast and we see winds finally becoming more southerly in direction, pumping in some warmer air, seeing that high of 58 for Thursday. And then as we go into the end of the week, you can see here on our extended forecast, looking at temperatures in the 60s by Friday, 66 degrees under mostly sunny skies expected. And then on into the weekend, seeing those mild conditions, partly sunny skies for Saturday with a high of 67. And then Sunday, we'll see our next chance of rain as a front will be moving through the area. Right now, the timing of that system looks like it will bring rain showers to our region by Sunday afternoon. And it is a little bit uncertain at this time about how warm those temperatures will be able to get on Sunday ahead of that front. But we will see some warm air right ahead of the front, so if it's a little quicker, that high temperature on Sunday will be a little lower. If it's a little slower, we could see temperatures pushing near 70 degrees by Sunday morning into the midday hours. So certainly some nice conditions expected for the weekend, and then cooler conditions behind that frontal passage on Monday with a high only expected right around 47 degrees. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning with your briefings at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.